married?
May 27th.
Oh, pretty soon now. Do you have any famous last words before you depart these killer rapids?
Baby, I love you. See you soon.
All right, right on, right on. And what's your name?
We love you. I love India.
Oh, right on, okay.
Yeah, you say it now.
Sandika Kuska. All right, this is the actual gorge right here now. The river's narrowing down. The first rapid up here is called Upper Haystack. It'll be fun. Yay! All right. Woo! Keep digging! Keep digging! Keep digging! Woo! Yeah, all stop! All stop, nice! Woo-hoo! Dig it out now. Keep going. Yeah. All together, please. Let's go, guys. Keep digging. Dig hard now. Hard forward. Keep digging. Yeah. Woo. Hold on, hold on, hold on. All right, stop. Watch the tubes now. Here comes Derek's boat. Whoa, whoa, watch the tubes there. That's where you guys got to lean in. Nice job. All right, forward paddle, let's go. Dig hard, please, dig hard. Keep digging. Yeah, keep going. Woo! Keep digging. All right, don't stop. And high five. High five. Woo! Nice job. Keep going. Yeah. Keep going. Keep going. Good job. Woo! Woo! Okay, stop. 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 And back pedal. Nice and together. Good. Keep going. Keep going. And stop. Woo! Keep digging. Okay, stop for a second. And forward again. Keep going. Yeah. Keep going, guys. Nice job. Keep going now. You got it good. All right, stop. Oh, stop. Nice job. Keep digging. Keep digging. And stop. We missed that one on purpose. That flips you. Yeah.
Even hit you with your nose?
I've already flipped once this area. Keep going! Keep going! There we go, good job. Keep going. And, all right, back pedal, back pedal. Keep digging. Keep digging. Whoa, yeah. Yeah. All right. Oh, nice hit. Yeah, all right, stop. Oh yeah, hospital bar's looking good. And forward pedal now. All forward. Keep digging. Keep digging. You guys are doing great. Yeah. Keep going. Yeah. Yeah. Yee-hee. Woo. All right, stop. Yeah. Keep going. Keep going. some nice rollers coming up. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Keep going. All right, I'll stop. Ride it out, ride it out. Yeah. Faster. Harder. Okay. Who's your most favorite rapper?
The cesspool.
Satan Cesspool. All right, yeah. That was a good hit.
There was one when the boat went like this and the leads like fell in.
Whoa. Nice.
My favorite part was when he finally started paddling forward.
Nice. All right.